Moving homes can be a whirlwind, but when it comes to our furry companions, their journey should be a comfortable adventure. Welcome to our guide on transporting your pets safely and serenely when the big moving day arrives. Here's how you can make it stress-free for both you and your four-legged family members. Tip number 1, pack a pet travel kit. Include their favorite toys, a cozy blanket, their regular food, and fresh water to keep them calm and hydrated throughout the trip. Tip number 2, maintain routine. Keep feeding times, walks, and playtime on schedule as much as possible. Familiar routines can provide pets with a sense of security amidst the changes. Tip number 3, secure a comfortable space in the vehicle. Ensure your pet has a reserved seat or space using a pet seat belt, crate, or carrier. This is crucial for safety and will help them feel more at ease. Tip number 4, trial run is key. If possible, take your pet for a ride in the moving vehicle a few days before the move day. Get them familiar with the vehicle they'll be traveling in. Tip number 5, first aid and emergency kit. Have your vet's contact information and any necessary medication within reach. A basic pet first aid kit can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. As you embark on this new chapter, remember, a smooth transition for your pets can make your move much more enjoyable. While you focus on getting everything settled for your new home, trust professionals to handle the heavy lifting.